Welcome to the Point of Serenity, located at 1291 Magothy Road in Pasadena, Maryland, appointed at the entrance of Grays Creek, which flows into the Magothy River. Discover a whole new way of life on the water in this resort-style property. This truly one-of-a-kind private waterfront peninsula showcases spectacular sunrises over Gibson Island and breathtaking views of the Bay Bridge. The perimeter of this massive 1.3-acre lot is outlined by a walking path that pinnacles at the pergola, and the deep water pier comes equipped with freshwater, electric, 2 boat lifts, and a slip fit for a yacht. From wedding celebrations to weekends on the water or picking crabs and watching the game, if you love to entertain, this outdoor space does not disappoint. Hardwood floors span the main level as you enter this sprawling estate. Pass through the foyer to discover spectacular water views at the heart of the home. A gas fireplace separates the dining and living room areas, which branch off to the east and west wings of the house. The primary bedroom is located at the end of the east wing, featuring double closets and a huge bay window that blankets the room in natural light. There is also a full renovated bathroom with a glass enclosed shower, tile surround, and an elegant soaking tub. But wait, there's more. Continue through the pocket sliding doors to a private sitting room. Complete with a custom bar, gas fireplace, retractable TV with built-in surround sound, and of course the panoramic views of Grays Creek. Head upstairs where you'll find 2 additional bedrooms overlooking the water, along with a shared full bathroom and 2 unfinished bonus rooms. Plus, the home has been updated with all new plumbing, HVAC, insulation, and solar panels, which help power the home and reduce your energy bills. Properties like this one rarely come on the market, so don't miss this opportunity. Contact me to schedule your private showing and experience everything the Point of Serenity has to offer.